57 divided by 2. So to look here 5 from right to left, first digit. So 2 goes into 5 how many times? We need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0 0, 2 times 1 2. Just add 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 2 8. That is 2 goes into 5 how many times? Look, 3 times 6 which is greater. So 2 4. Take 2. 2 times 2 4. Subtract 1. Bring down this 7. 2 goes on to 17 how many times? 9 times 18 which is greater, so 8 times. 8 times 2 16. Subtract 1. So your answer is 28 remainder 1. But if you want to convert your answer into decimal, just take here decimal point and then add number of zeros. Bring down the first zero, but before this zero there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 2 goes into 10 how many times? Look, 2 goes into 10 5 times. Write 5. 5 times 2, 10. Subtract, you are getting 0. That is 28.5 is your answer.